Hello, I'm Kanchan Verma, and today in this series we have a special guest, Ritu Gupta, and we'll be discussing a very interesting topic. But before we start our topic, let's welcome her.
Thank you, Kanchan. I'm absolutely fine and hope you're also doing fine.
Well, yesterday night, James Webb been shoot up, and we are. I think it's a leap, and it's a leap for the advancement of human race, I guess. So, what is your reaction on this, and how really you will feel when you will come across any alien species through Webb, James Webb?
Well, I feel very, happy, and I cannot just understand because it's the space, the universe is still a mystery to us. So for me, James Webb Space Telescope, which has been launched by NASA in collaboration with European Space Agency and also in collaboration with Canadian Space Agency, to succeed the Hubble Space Telescope, which is already doing study about the astrophysics. It's something which is very mystical, very unique, very different, for most of us, because you know physics is still a mystery, and I understand that it is going to let us, the people of NASA, will come to know about various things which are happening in the space, because the mission of this particular um, telescope, which is let in the space, is to basically study about the origin of life, is to understand about the formation of stars and planetary system. So I feel very great, and it's something very mystical for me.
You have really mentioned that it is mystical era, and you know that is they have specialized in finding the signatures, life signature, if it is, if at all they are, if they are exist in the universe through ultraviolet, and the screen and the telescope can see beyond the clouds, which earlier Hubble was having little problem. So my question is, in case we really come across any alien beings, what will be your first reaction?
Okay, the first reaction, I'll be really very glad and surprised to know that, okay, we have been watching movies about alien, and we have been watching, foreign American series. We have been reading the comics and the stories, but actually, if aliens are existing, then, this is a very different and strange feeling. I would really love to see aliens. It's something, getting back to your childhood and physics, the development of the physics. So although I've studied physics till 10th grade, 10th standard, but there is some kind of mysteries which are there in the universe. For example, this particular James Webb Space Telescope, which is there in the space, the main mission of this telescope is to search for the light from the first stars, galaxies that form the universe, and the Big Bang. And to know about the Big Bang itself, to know things about it in detail, and yes, to meet the aliens, I'm sure everyone would wanting to be doing that. And it's going to be really, and I'll be very happy that in my lifetime I have come across an alien. And why not? Because the world is changing. We all need to know about this particular universe where we are living. So how everything has been formed, the evolution of galaxies. So I'll be very happy if I get to see one alien. I really want to meet. I really want to see aliens.
Well, I don't know what will be the scenario when we really come across the alien beings, and if they are intelligent beings, how we will, as a race, react to those alien beings. But when we are talking about James Webb, I think the NASA has been, this particular telescope has been designed to stay at least 5 years, but then the leverage is being given that it can stay for almost 10 years. Now, what I really is excited about the technology, because it took around 30 years to develop this. And now when we are looking forward, it's being launched and it be giving the results after 6 months. So, don't you really feel that when we are talking about colonization, and there any aspect of alien will also start thinking colonizing Earth? So, is it a good idea to really shake hand with aliens, or how really you react to that?
Kanchan, people have been talking about the life on Mars and various other planets, and people from Earth, the scientists, they have been talking about if at all there is life on Mars or any other planet, then to start some kind of colonization. I personally do not really feel happy about it. I really do not know how the human body is going to react on other planet, and how can a human body survive there? How are we going to? What are we going to eat? What about the medical conditions? What about the conditions of the atmosphere? How the body is going to react to certain things, chemicals, other things. So if you are asking personally, I do not want to leave Earth and go on another planet. But yes, to enhance my knowledge, to know new things, I really want to study and know about the new things. But yes, I do not want to be moving out of the Earth to some other planet, because it's very different. We really do not know. And yes, the I think this particular telescope has been delayed. I think it was supposed to it was started, the project took off in 1996, but it has been delayed. And let's say it will not come back after 5 years, it will come back after 10 years. So let's wait and watch that what's going to happen, what are the things, and how are aliens reacting to us getting closer to them. Are aliens as intelligent as human beings, or they are something different? So that one has to really understand, and every human being on this mother earth should understand before making any decisions.
Well, you mentioned rightly, because we don't know whether there are intelligent beings out there, or they are maybe the main aim is to really search the life formation, or life, is there any life exist in the universe. So I think it's a great effort, and it's something which I think we should over the years will cherish, that we have been part of launch of James Webb. But apart of this, I also feel that I think it is like going into unknown and navigating, finding out new findings. I think that is very crucial and critical for human beings. What is your take on that?
I absolutely agree that it's an unknown thing and a very crucial take for any human being, whether it's you, me, or the other people who are very intelligent, who are scientists. It's a very unknown thing. But yes, we should need, I mean, there is a curiosity in everyone that what about the first light, how the human life has been formed, what about the water on any other planet. So we all want to know about it. The curiosity is always there, and this is the essence of being human being, that we all are curious. So yes, I really would want to know. I really want to know that new things should be discovered and told to us about it, and we all need to know about it. But uh, universe, I really, I think it's, again, I would say it's a mystery, and I really want to know things in detail before we human beings are told to do something. But I'm sure in my lifetime, no one is going to move on any other planet. But yes, Kanchan, as I understand, because of global warming and other things, I do understand that people are trying to find life on some other planet if we can really live there. And perhaps, who knows, over for next 100 years, or maybe after next 100 years, people from earth may move to some other planet. We really don't know. But yes, the scientists are doing something magical for us human being to live longer, the human race to exist longer. Because as I understand, as I read, that the human life is going to end very soon because of global warming. That's what I understand.
Well, rightly said, but I look forward for some interesting fact which will be delivered by James Webb in coming future. And I think that is something which we would like to congratulate everybody, you and me, that this is a technical advancement which we have done, and it took many people really worked for the day, and it took 30 years to really develop these kind of sensitive telescope and to be sent in the space. So, with that, I would like to end today. Any last thought you would like to share with our viewers?
Yes, I also think that we all need to congratulate this entire team of this particular project, because it's in a way it shows that how intelligent these people are, how intelligent the physics and the science is, how intelligent the human brain is. We should really need to congratulate, because definitely whatever has been done, this is for the positivity, and let's all remain positive. And we are going to get new results, we are going to get new knowledge also. So let's look forward towards the positivity, and let's definitely thank the world of the physics.
Thank you, Ritu. It was interesting to talk to you. We'll be meeting again with some other interesting topic in the future. Till then, bye bye, and you take care.
Bye bye, take care. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye bye.